Alright, so someone dropped off this poor little kitten at a local grocery store where I feed some other kittens and cats, and it has a wound. And actually, if you look close up in there, that is actually like a botfly. It's right there. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit, get that botfly out and stuff like that, but it's right there. Alright, so give it a little bit of peroxide. Try to clean it up a little bit. We'll work on getting that out of there for that little booger so it can start healing. So botflies, this is the box they dropped it off in, and they put a little note on there, and the note says, so here I am. Alright. This isn't the first time I've had a cat with a botfly, so I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Poor guy. It's been oozing for a while. It looks like it's just kind of coming through right there. Sometimes when you cover it up like that, you can actually see the botflies start to move around. For a second there, it looked like I saw it move up. There you go. It just moved. See? Look at that. It's trying to come out of there. So there we go. There we go. Let's clean it up a little bit more. That looks like that's a big botfly. You can see it actually moving in there. It's moving around. Look at that. There you go. Yep. It's in there pretty deep. Here we go. Here it comes. There it is. There's a big old botfly. I know, baby. We gotta get it out, though. I know. That thing's huge. Jesus Christ. That, oh my God. Did you just see that? My God. Jesus Christ. That's what was living in his neck. Look at that thing moving around. That's just nasty. Alright, let's get her little thing cleaned up. Alright, poor little thing. Alright, baby, we got you. Alright. Alright, I know. Let's get you cleaned up. Let's get some of that stuff out of there so you can start healing. It's okay, baby. Nasty out of there. Alright. It's got a little hole right there, but it'll start healing now that the botfly is out. Alright. Get another clean paper towel. I went ahead and did it in here. Botflies, once you start, some people can put Vaseline right there on the area because it has to be able to try to breathe. And what you can do is actually put some peroxide on there. As you saw, it starts trying to move around too. So it's okay, baby. I know you're trying to hide. I got you, but you got it. Yeah. All right. It's been oozing And it's not uncommon to have another one close to it. Alright, got it out of there. Poor little thing. Alright, now it can start healing. There you go. That is what a botfly looks like. So when all you saw was like a little tip of it, you saw the little tip right there, and that's what was in the neck. It's pretty common to have them in the neck area. Yep. There you go. See a little tip right there. That's what I actually saw when I looked at it. I thought it had some other damage to it, maybe like something attacked it, but then I saw the little opening and a little tip. And I'll try to see if we can get that little tip to pop out again so you can see it. But that's what I saw, the little end. That's where it breathes and everything. So if you put a little Vaseline on there, then put a little bit of pressure on both sides, it just eventually pop right on out. And that way you don't have to go to the vet and do that. So it's just hope you're not squeamish. That is it right there. Poor little thing. That huge thing was in its little neck, as tiny as that kitten is. All right, we got it. Alright, this is the kitten. A couple of days after the botfly was removed. She's already feeling a lot better. She got a bath. Let me show you what it looks like now. Alright. And that is where the botfly was. It's already healed up. I removed all the stuff right here, gave her a bath, cleaned her up. And as you can see, she's already feeling a lot better. She actually roll over and get petted. You can tell she's already happy. Look at that. Yep. And like I said, that's all cleaned up. So she'll probably get another bath, and a little bit of Dawn on there. Make sure she don't have any other like fleas or anything on her. But she got the first bath, and I'll just monitor, make sure there wasn't another little botfly that started in there. But yeah, she's already feeling a lot better. We're trying to be halfway playful too. Look at that. Happy kitten. No more botfly.